Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on or off 120Hz refresh rate on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before changing anything, you need to make sure your iPhone supports ProMotion, which is Apple's 120Hz refresh rate. ProMotion is available on iPhone Pro models starting from the iPhone 13 Pro and newer. If you're not sure which iPhone you have, open Settings, go to General, then tap on About, and check the model name. If you see a Pro model listed, you're good to go. To turn 120Hz on or off, go back to the main settings screen and open Accessibility. From there, tap on Motion, then scroll down to Limit Frame Rate. When this option is turned on, your iPhone is limited to 60 frames per second, which disables ProMotion. If you want the full 120Hz experience, simply turn Limit Frame Rate off, and your iPhone will automatically use ProMotion for smoother scrolling, animations, and supported games. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or off 120Hz refresh rate on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Thanks.